Today I'm going to show you a recipe of extracting dates from a log file and counting them. This is part of a series of various things we can do with log files right from the command line. Okay, so I'm here at the command line. Let me just list the files that are in the current directory. There's something called alllogs.txt. Okay, so I can say I can extend the listing with a long listing with an L, and I can see more data about the file. Okay, who's the owner, the size, the date, and so on. The size is not so clear, so I can add an H to get the human representation. Okay, so this is 23 megabytes. Good. Another command is the word count command, which gives me 178,800 lines, that many words, and that many characters. I think the most important one is the number of lines. We can also explore it. So the head command shows us the first 10 lines. The tail commands shows me the last 10 commands, and you can say head or tail N50. Show me the last 50 lines of the file. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to extract the date, day, month, year, without the hour, minute, second, and count these to see how many requests I'm getting per day. Okay, so I'm going to use the grep utility, and I'm going to use the egrep utility, which is extended. Okay, so my expression is going to be a number followed by another number. This is a character class between square brackets, and it matches a single character. And this is a range of characters between 0 and 9. Let's see what happens here. Sorry, I need to put the file name. Okay, so it matches everywhere where we have two consecutive numbers. Okay, not bad for a start. But what we want is we're gonna continue here, and we want to follow this by the month, which is slash, capital letter, lowercase, and lowercase letter. So we're here, okay, and then we have a forward slash, and then we have a character class that matches a single character, capital A to capital Z, and then we have a lowercase letter and another lowercase letter. Let's see how we're doing now. And we have another slash. Okay, so this is much better because you know we're specifying 5, 6 maybe characters, and now we're going to just follow it with 4 digits. Okay, so we have a character class of 0 to 9, and we can repeat this 4 times, or we can just specify like this, 4. Okay, wonderful. So the matches are in this dark red color. grep has an O output option, which means after you match them, extract them for us. Okay, so now we have, for every request, we extracted the day and month and year. And now what I'm going to do is take all this output and give it to the pipe operator and pipe it to another command, which is sort, and then I'm going to give it to the unique. Just give me the unique values. Okay, so now we know that our work is correct because all the things that we've matched look like a date, 2 numbers slash a month, abbreviation slash the year, and now we can have a very simple option here that unique takes, which is C. Don't only give me the uniques, but also count them. Okay, so on the 12th of June, this server received 11,382 requests. On the 13th of June, 12,270, and so on. Okay, so what I want to do now is I'm going to take this expression, and instead of repeating it every time, I'm going to create a function. I'm going to call the function requests per day. We open and close parentheses. then we open curly braces and we paste the expression that we have here, and we close the curly braces and we hit enter. Now we should have a function called requests. Let's see if we do. Yes, we do. Let's run it. And indeed, we get the report that we were looking for. Okay, I'm going to make a slight change here, because this function only works if your file is called alllogs.txt. So I'm going to make this dynamic. I'm going to put this to take the value of variable number 1. Okay, what does that mean? It means now requests per day doesn't work just like that. I just hit enter and it's waiting for the first variable. So I'm gonna give it now the first variable, and it's gonna run on this file. So now when you take this function and you define it, you can run it on any function, on any file in your on your server or on your computer, and it should give you this report. Of course, this only works with dates that follow this pattern. Okay, it doesn't work on all dates. We can cover this later, but this was a quick overview of how you might go about doing something repetitive, automating it with a function, and just getting a quick report for the requests per day. That's it. Hope you find it useful. Thank you very much.